Dan akhirnya seumuran.
Gara-gara awakmu Don, kene kena hukum kabeh.
Pak aku tok yo gak lho.
Sawise iki, semisal ibuku diceluk BK, kon tanggung jawab lho.
Lho kok aku sih arek iki lho provokator
Cuk, kok aku jadi provokator sih?
Gongi kok. Mas, tuku piro?
Loh, kudu aku sentuh iki lho, Mas. Lek aku bolos, paling aman lewat gerbang sing kulon. Kon gak melu dieksekusi. Tapi kan gerbang kulon iku dhuwur, Cuk. Angelmu gawe. Kon kabeh lemah.
Mas, piro? Meneng ta lah Mas iki sing ngobrol lho, gak ndelok apa?
Yo ancen bolos iku gak apik sih, Rek. Sudah balen mana yo? Jane bolos iki mang iso smooth, Rek. Lek misale awake gak nurti dene Doni. Ayo Doni, demu peko.
Lho aku pekon. Kon lho pekon. Kon peko. Kok mari ribut? Tawali iki, tawali.
Yo
Balik mengancem to, Mas. Ngancem to. Menurutku yo, Mas. Ojo bolos pelajaran. Gelem koyo aku. Gelem. Piro, Mas? Ora aku wesan.
Yus.
Gak tuku ribut jancuk.
Hello everyone, welcome again with me, Muhammad Wahid Zulanga, and today we want to discuss about one of the part linguistic and NLP. As for excitement, my final examination. As we know, in linguistic, so many parts such as phonology, morphology, syntax, semantic, pragmatic, and social linguistic. And one of them is related but with video as beginning we watching. The video explain about how as of Japanese native speaker different with non-native speaker Java. The accent is so different. This part go to the social linguistic. Why? Because accent is one part of the social linguistic. And now we want to discuss about social linguistic. But before we continue to the discuss, please thanks me to introduce myself. Okay, my name Muhammad Wahid Zulanga. I come from South Sumatra and I now in TBI English Language Teaching Department. This video has to be a segment final exam. Okay, before we continue to our discuss, I want to show you about the mean of linguistic and social. Let's listen about the video. Social linguistic consists of two syllables, social and linguistic. So, what of the mean of them? Okay, social. Social relates to relationship between human, group, or society, as well as the behavior and interaction that occur among them. So, in more detail, social covers all aspects of life that involve other from daily communication, group structure, social norm, to the cultural and political system that govern how humans live together. So, what is linguistic? Linguistic is the scientific study of language, ranging from the basic structure of language to the how language function and evolve. Linguistic examines various aspects of language such as sound structure, phonetic, phonology, word structure, morphology, sentence structure, syntax, meaning, semantic, and how language is used in specific context, pragmatic. So, what is sociolinguistic? Sociolinguistic is a branch of study that examines the relationship between language and society, how language is influenced by social factors and vice versa, how language is used to express socially, identity, status, or relationship between people. For example, sociolinguistic study why someone speaks
in a different style when talking to peer compared to a supervisor, or how certain dialect develop in specific region due to social factor like culture and economy.
In linguistic, there are several areas we must understand. There are parts we must understand, such as linguistic variation, register, slangs, and logat. And now, what's the mean of them? Linguistic variation include with dialect or action. Example, as Java, native accent is different with non-native as Java accent. The next, register language. And register language is a variation uses in situation. For the first, like formal and informal. Formal language as we use in presentation. Informal language like we talking about with my friend. So the next is slang. Slang is an informal word of phrase, such as slang term often used by human. Slang like bro, hey bro, cuy, like this. Or maybe like we listen something is using by human people against it now. And now I will show you again the example of the video is show the difference as Java speaking native with not native of Java speaking. Okay, let's go.
Jancu.
Nah.
Oh.
Hah?
Jancu,
Loh, kenaon sudah itu? Loh,
masa bisa nggak?
Sporadis. Loh, jangan. Misalnya bilang janco, jangan terlalu keras. Nanti mereka nangkepnya kayak marah gitu, jadi kan nanti tersinggung. Yang bener kayak janco. Nah, gitu boleh.
Berarti sama dong Kak, kayak borokokok.
Oh, Abah sering ucapan ini ke aku itu. Itu marah ya?
Enggak, itu juga sama kayak Jancu.
Asih berokok.
Abayu Jancu.
Asih berokok. Ya,
Abayu
ya.
Jancu.
Berokok. Kabeh berokok.
Sadayana Jancu.
Loh, sepuranya ya? Asih.
Jancu.
Nah.
Okay, let's we discuss. As we listen together, so different how as Java speak with not Java speak. Yeah, like a boy as Java native language Javanese speaker is accent is so bold than a girl's accent is so different. The conclusion, this video show the difference of the action how the native language as Java with not native language as Java. There, this is one of part of social linguistics. We must study of slang and other register or action. This is part of the linguistic. Okay, now I wanna ask you, as from this video, how big important social linguistic in yourself, as you will be ELT English language teacher. Social linguistic help a teacher to understand the student linguistic background, such as this student from he understand this student from this area, this student from this country, this student from the Java, student from South Sumatra. It's this different, and this part English language teaching understanding because why? Because social linguistic and teacher also can be help student to show the many cultural of Indonesia, different reflect language and action and many various in Indonesia. So of course this part be easy that every teacher to give lesson in the class. Okay, maybe enough from our discuss today about linguistic, social linguistic is this chapter so interest with me and why because why I take this chapter, because in this chapter is interesting with me to be to explain to you all. And maybe just is for me. And last, thanks for your attention. And last I see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.